Hi guys, in this video we look at the quant D-Day strategy. This is my foolproof strategy according to me, but it might suit you or not. That of course you have to check, you have to try it out and see if it works for you. So there are three strategies. Number one and number two are the most common. Number three is kind of a mix up between these two strategies to find out the kind of a foolproof strategy. Look at the quant ka paper, easy, medium, difficult. I'm not talking about the mocks. If there's suppose 30 question on the exam day, now anyone who has given the CAT exam last year, tell me that. Say yes or no if that was there. Easy question will be there. At least 6 to 8 question are easy. 6 to 8 question are you will be surprised कि CAT में कैसे आ गया. Every year. Yes, yes, yes. Everyone say yes. Yeah. Another 4 to 6 to 8 question which are nonsense. कि मैं क्यों आया. This is like ये कैसे आ गया. This is like आज मैं क्यों आया. And then remaining question are medium. 14 to 12 questions are medium question. This is a typical CAT pattern for the last 5 years I've seen. I'm not saying the question based on my this thing. मैं एमसीबीसी नहीं करने का राहुल रोहित. एग्जाम टाइम पे कुछ नहीं करने का, बाहर आके जो करना है करना. Okay, this is a typical pattern. So suppose you're from the reserved category, यार, even if you focus only on this part, you can clear the cutoff यार. इस पे फोकस किया, थोड़ा बहुत ये कर लिया, पास. How to find easy question? Okay, there's a magic button given on the exam day. Vipul, देखना वहां जाके ढूंढना, मॉक में भी होता है मैजिक बटन. दैट बटन इज कॉल्ड नेक्स्ट का बटन. नेक्स्ट 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 करते जाओ, क्वेश्चन मिलता जाएगा. And with this, we'll talk about the strategy part. Now, quant have got two strategies. Strategy number one for the quant section is I'll run through the paper. I'll pick up all the easy question. Yeah. In first 0 to 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes, I'll run through the paper. I'll find all the easy question. And then while coming back from minute 25 to 40, I'll do all the high level and the medium level question. Easy to medium, I can solve. This is one good strategy. 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 18 minutes, that all depend upon you. अब इसकी स्पीड निकालो. Ajan, yes. Okay, this is strategy number one. Okay. Strategy number two is let's break the paper into parts. What is your attempt? In verbal, what is your attempt? In sorry, quant, what is your attempt? 10, 12, 15, 20, 15, 20, 12, 18, 18, 6, 12, 18. So everybody, so if I take an average of all you people, average coming up to be around 12. 15 भी आ रहा है काफी लोग का, but let's keep it 12 suppose. I'm taking average of everyone. So my attempt is 12. Now, if I'm going to attempt 12 question, I already have decided this 12 can become 18 also. 12 not become 18. 12 can become 14. 12 can become 10 on the exam day. Yeah. So let's divide my paper into parts. So let's do the mapping for the quant section. 0 to first 15 minutes, next 15 minutes, last 10 minutes. Yeah. First 15 minutes, next 15 minutes, and last 10 minutes. So I will reach the end point for 40 minutes. My target is to touch 5 questions. Okay, but if the paper becomes very tough, then यहाँ पे आके confidence टूटना start हो जाता है. Fine, I'll give you my foolproof strategy. After trying hitting on the exam every year, this is my strategy. I always break the CAT ka paper into either 2 parts or 4 parts, depending on your choice. Either 4 parts or 2 parts or 3 parts. Totally your wish. Let's keep it 4 parts. Suppose आप 2 कर सकते हो, 3 पार्ट कर सकते हो, totally wish. स्कैन करने का टाइम नहीं है, नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट खेलने का टाइम नहीं है. आई हैव नो टाइम फॉर दैट. फॉर मी 0 to 10 minutes is my first section. 11 to 20 minutes is my second section. 21 to 30 minutes is my third section. 31 to 40 minutes is my fourth section. I have divided into 4 parts. Round 1 to 3 नहीं खेलने का यार. आने जाने में जो टाइम वेस्ट होगा, आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट माय टाइम. In the first 10 minutes, suppose number of questions are 30, I have to look. Attempt nahi, look. Look at 8 question. 8, 8, 7, 7. Look. Okay. Now, if the paper is very simple, I may be able to solve 5 questions out of that. If paper is very tough, I might be able to attempt 3 questions out of that. I don't need to worry about my attempt. My attempt will automatically get adjusted to the level of difficulty. Lot of people say if the paper is tough, do that. Paper easy, do that. अरे साला जब मैं एग्जाम दे रहा हूँ मुझे कुछ पता नहीं चलता कि पेपर इजी है कि टफ है. I don't know about you, but while giving the exam, paper is always tough. Yeah, while giving the exam, paper is always tough. So I have to look at 8 question. My attempt will automatically get adjusted to my speed. I am not going with my any expectation. My expectation is very simple. Look at 8 question. Exactly. After looking at the solution, everything is easy. Now, within this 10 minutes, आपको जो करना है करो. Within this 10 minutes, तुम्हें जो करना है करो. You want to pick up easy question first. You want to pick up tough question afterward, or you want to go topic wise. A lot of people go topic wise. Anyone here doing topic wise? Anyone here doing topic wise? पहले ज्योमेट्री करेंगे फिर नंबर ढूंढेंगे, अरे बर्बाद हो जाओगे भैया. अगर पेपर में वो टफ आ गया तो तुम गए. So what you can do, if you want to do that, do it in 10 minutes. Within first 10 minutes, I'll do my favorite topic first. Favorite topics. बर्बाद तो वैसे भी हमेशा, right? So are you okay with the strategy? Break up into parts. 3 parts, 4 parts. And my target is to try to do 8 question, 8 questions, 7 questions, 7 questions. Super. So there are 3 main strategies now. Strategy number 1, easy question first, then medium, then difficult. Yeah. Strategy number 2, topic wise. पहले geometry कर लो, then I'll do arithmetic, then I'll do modern maths. But what if geometry become tough? तो बुच वहां जाके सीधा. Okay. Mark my words. On the exam day, first question you're not able to solve. Second question not able to solve. Third question not able to solve. Fourth question not able to solve. तो तुम गए. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन तक आने आंखों में आंसू आने शुरू हो जाएंगे. पसीना नहीं तो आंखों से आएगा पसीना, आंखों में आंसू. Yeah. So best way out is I have to look at 8 questions. Look. पेपर टफ है, अटेम्प्ट अपने आप कम हो जाएगा. तुझे किस बात की टेंशन, सबका कटेगा ना. Whenever stock market goes down, I'm not scared anymore. Yeah, because सबका कटेगा. अब तो आदत सी हो गई है. एग्जैक्टली सिद्धेश. रेशो ऑफ ईएमडी. नहीं ऐसा सर्वेश. इजी क्वेश्चन, 1 easy question. सर्वेश इज सेइंग 1 easy question, 14 डिफिकल्ट 14. इतना रेशो कभी नहीं हुआ, आज तक नहीं हुआ. या व्हाट कैन हैपन इज यू, तुम्हारा फेवरेट टॉपिक इजी नहीं आया, दैट यू कैन से. द टॉपिक यू मॉक पे एक्सपेरिमेंट किया यार. मॉक में तो ऑब्वियसली आई हैव टोल्ड यू, I have made the mocks. I have designed the mocks in such a way that to make you uncomfortable. Mock में तो रोज आता है. Exactly. But this is actual CAT paper. Actual CAT paper on the exam day is 8, 14, 6. That's a typical trend. Or you make it 30, make it 8. I would love to quote धोनी, MS धोनी का अगर सीन अगर किसी को याद हो, ट्रेन वाला सीन. Easy ball छोड़ना मत, and bouncer all the difficult ball छूना मत. दोनों में सिर्फ एक वर्ड का फर्क है, छोड़ना मत और छूना मत. बाउंसर्स को डक करो बस. दिस इज लाइफ, दिस इज एग्जाम ऑल्सो. जब फेवरेट टॉपिक घटिया आता है तो कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन जाता है. एग्जैक्टली. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर प्लेइंग ऑन दैट. यू आर प्लेइंग ऑन योर फेवरेट टॉपिक्स. डोंट डू दैट. इफ एक्स बिकम इजी, वाई विल बिकम टफ. कैट 2018 का पेपर मेड बाय IIM कैलकाटा, क्वांट वाज टफ. सॉरी, क्वांट में अर्थमेटिक वाज टफ. अर्थमेटिक इज एवरीबॉडीज फेवरेट. या एंड IIM कैलकाटा हिट इट वेयर इट हर्ट द मोस्ट. क्योंकि हमारा दिल अर्थमेटिक के पास है. On the other hand, modern maths was easy, very easy. 2019, IIM Kozhikode made the paper. Arithmetic was easy and modern maths were difficult. And look at the people came out of the exam saying that और paper बहुत tough था, paper बहुत tough था. Why? Because arithmetic was tough. Here people are saying अरे paper बहुत easy था, paper बहुत easy था. Why? Because arithmetic was easy. If this is tough, this have to be easy. I still remember the people who join us again every year ना वो बोलते हैं सर मॉडर्न मैथ्स मैं करके नहीं गया था 10 क्वेश्चन अर्थमेटिक आई कुड नॉट सॉल्व ज्योमेट्री मैं करके नहीं गया था तो सर तूने किया क्या एग्जाम पे सर तभी तो मैं आया हूं वापस कुछ किया ही नहीं मैंने क्वांट में एंड बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स द कट ऑफ द क्वांट सेक्शन इज लो दैट्स व्हाई द कट ऑफ लुक एट द कट ऑफ हेयर यार क्या चल रहा है यार 5 क्वेश्चन 8 क्वेश्चन व्हाट नॉनसेंस इज गोइंग ऑन लुक एट हेयर यार the cutoff is low simple if the paper is tough like sale yeah I normally compare with sale Warren Buffett used to compare that when the sale is going on people rush toward the mall especially girls yeah boys also me I love sales मैं तो बिना सेल के अंदर जाता ही नहीं हूं मैं तो पहले पूछता हूं सेल है तो मैं अंदर आएगा नहीं तो मैं जाएगा ही नहीं अंदर I buy brands no doubt but on sale okay now if the paper become very tough if the paper becomes very difficult, there are two options either to feel sad and lose the race, or paper में fail लगा आपके सामने, or second part is the best part is you are able to clear the cutoff with low attempts. Look at that way, यार, the perception changes. You feel sad, you out of race, मर गए, बर्बाद हो गए. Other way around, बहुत कम attempt करके तुम्हारी कट ऑफ क्लियर हो रहा है. Are you getting point? If the paper become tough, cutoff will go low. Simple. Paper become easy, cutoff go high. Ulta. Fine. So what I'm saying is we are keeping our benchmark number 8 attempts or 10 attempts or 12 attempts or 14 attempts or 18 attempts, 20 attempts, whatever is your number of attempts you want to target. On the exam day, I am already aware it will be plus or minus 2. It cannot be plus or minus 10. Yeah. If it will become plus 10 or minus 10, don't worry. Everybody will say thing. We can play Jugaad, sir. Their shortcut, you can solve 18 and solve the pattern. Yes, you can do that. If you have a Jugaad, try that. We are able to remove 2 options. Out of 4 options, you are able to remove 2 options. If you are able to remove 2 options, Jai Mata Di, mark karo. I am with you, mark karo. Joga dekha jayega. If you are down to the last 2 options, verbal nahi, quant mein. I'm talking about quant. Do mark the answer. अगर तू फेल हो गया तो आई टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आई विल से सॉरी टू यू और मैं क्या बोलूंगा सॉरी बोल दूंगा बस मैं सॉरी मैं तो बोल दूंगा वो एनीवे आई एम गोइंग टू से दैट Gautam, I've shown you this now. I've shown the cutoff here. So this, all right. So try these strategies and see if any of them work for you. All the best.